If you are not bringing home $2,000 to $3,000 per week and you are not working from home, you need to stop and watch this video right now. How is this possible, you may ask? None other than digital products. Here are some of the top digital selling products. Now you're probably thinking, I don't have a degree. I don't know anything about graphic design or making videos. I can't do this. You can, and you need to keep watching this video. Public service announcement, anyone can do this. If you think the market is oversaturated for digital products, you're completely wrong. Digital products just keeps going uphill and trending. $1 trillion? Yes, please. This is so easy that you could literally have everything up and running within a week. Start earning commissions just as quickly into your bank account. No, this is not Bitcoin. This is not crypto. This is not drop shipping or Amazon FBA. It's definitely not an MLM or a pyramid. This is your business. So whether you're just trying to make some extra cash on the side, whether you want to be a stay-at-home parent, guess what? There's only one step to get started, and that's by watching the short video in my profile.